Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to of course, in the general settings, we have to scroll down in order to find either passwords and accounts or Google. It's basically up to you which option is better for you. However, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, we've got this section accounts for owner. We do not have any kind of account here, so let's start this whole tutorial with adding the account. So let's tap on it and tap Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next your device will autofill the rest, so the rest after the add symbol. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info. However, if you want to learn more about the backup, I highly recommend to check our tutorial, which is tightly connected with the backup and the creating the backup account. So let's simply tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, and thanks to it you will be able to, for example, use the Google Play Store and download and install some apps or games. Of course, you can always remove the Google account whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and of course tap on OK. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, and the device will immediately remove the account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.